Introducing Sealed Air's FasFil Easy Paper Void Fill System. Easy to use and easy on your bottom line, the FasFil Easy system makes void fill packaging simple. The economical FasFil Easy system has a small footprint and is adaptable for use in any packaging environment. Minimal training needed and no complicated settings. To start dispensing crimped lofted paper, the operator simply depresses a foot pedal and releases it when the right amount of paper is dispensed. The ergonomic manual cutting mechanism ensures the right amount of void fill material is dispensed while reducing the risk of repetitive motion injuries. The FasFil Easy system's unique paper length control feature can be adjusted to provide just the right amount of void fill for your packaging needs. The system is simple to load, and our advanced crimping mechanism creates crimped paper pads in a unique shape that provides durable protection and reduces product shifting during the shipping cycle. The FasFil Easy Paper offerings allow for a choice of either roll stock or fan fold configurations. The FasFil Easy system is available as tabletop or standalone floor models. Ergonomically designed, the system can be customized to different heights, providing flexibility to fit in any packaging environment. Sealed Air's FasFil Easy Paper Void Fill system is built on Sealed Air's solid reputation and experience. When paper is your packaging of choice, choose the FasFil Easy Paper Void Fill system from Sealed Air. It's the perfect and economical solution for your void fill packaging needs.